Take now this will be, so this is the find the speed of projectile particle moves with constant velocity after some time t naught. Okay, this is the speed of projection, positive charge particle it is. There's electric field, no? And where gravity is present, given q equal to mg, gravity g will take like this here. Yeah, it is there. And this is e bar, b bar into the plane. How the charge particle should move, no? Because of the electrostatic force here in this region. So it is going to move in a some curved path. So let me take a curved path here. Then here it's going to enter the magnetic field region with x and y component of velocity. So this data we are going to apply it. Which are having q. So now you select a object perpendicular plane of paper inward right to the line AB. A charge by having charge q mass m is projected vertically up. It cross the line AB after time. Find the speed of a particle moves constant velocity after t naught. So t code 0 it is here. What is t naught? T naught is here. And after this it will move with a constant velocity. So I should pick up. So what should be the path after this? It will be straight line. No? I think the question has given this much only. There's the information what it is given. And it's going to move with a constant velocity. So let the velocity of charge particle, let it be here, v. Under presence of magnetic field, weight is going to move in that straight line path. I think this much is what the information what we have. So after reading question, so I'm able to write this much of data. Tell me who will balance weight. So there are a few questions we have to answer. So who should balance the weight? There should be component of force. What is the only force is available? No magnetic force. So how the magnetic force will be acting? B bar, the magnetic force here will be acting in this direction. A component of that force, this is theta. A component of force will balance weight. Other component will balance QE sine theta. So let's write first some many equations related to that. So FB cos theta should be equal to mg. What is FB equal to? QV, then F sine theta should be equal to QE. So QVB and we know Q equal to mg. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. As we know, Q equal to mg, given no, this is substituting this here, QVB sine theta equal to mg. So what is it? Sine theta, let me call equation 3. Dividing 3 and 1, I'm get sine theta by cos theta equal to 1. So theta equal to 45 degrees. Who will accelerate it? So this x component, initially there was no x component velocity. So there should be an acceleration. This acceleration is due to what? What are these accelerations due to electric field? So what is that? Vx should be equal to ax into time t naught. Ax is how much? Qe by m into t naught. And then along y-axis, any equation can we write? Along y-axis for the motion of the particle. Initial velocity projected v naught. A gravity is present. Because of gravity, vy equal to. So therefore, here vy is equal to fb direction. Okay, fine. B bar velocity, fb somewhere. Field is into the plane, velocity. Take Fleming's left-hand rule. Apply Fleming's left-hand rule. So fb direction should be in that particular thing. Okay, what is Vy? Vy, we can write, what is the equation for Vy? V naught minus GT naught. And what is Vy equal to? V sine theta. Or one more step I'll write here only. Oh, Vx is what? V sine theta. Should be equal to QEM T naught. Let's come for along y-axis. Vy is equal to V naught minus GT naught. Vx is V cos theta, sorry. V cos theta, this is V sin theta. So any equations can we bring it here? So dividing these two, tan theta equal to Q equal to mg. Further, Q equal to mg. So therefore, this will be dividing these two. So this is equation 5. This is equation 6. So dividing equation 5 and 6. So solving for that, we'll get expression for the speed here. Anybody value V naught?
2gt naught.
2gt naught.
And just I picked up the direction is very important. Rest all mathematics, we know it. So look at the magnetic force acting that one. That this, you have to focus more on this. It can happen, nothing to do that one. See, it is moving with a constant velocity. A component of magnetic force will balance with other component will balance this electrostatic force. This is very important here. There is no limit for asking questions in this motion of charge particle. I'm making things clear. So either way, they can ask you anything. So you should just stick on to the basic things, B variable, B